Hey guys, it's Karen Merrow. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Clickbank University review for 2018. I'm super excited to show you this product because I think it can really be life-changing for you if you're wanting to make money online with affiliate marketing. Before we get to that, if this is your first time to the channel, this channel is all about learning how to make money online through affiliate marketing. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click the subscribe button, tick the bell icon, because I'm going to be uploading videos on a regular basis, helping people to have freedom and choices to do what they love. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the content. Let me show you everything that you're going to get with the Clickbank University. And this it's for $47 a month, and I think as we go through this, you're going to realize that that's a really great value for what it is that they're teaching in this course. It's taught by Adam Horowitz and Justin Atlin. Adam had made millions of dollars in affiliate marketing, and Justin's more on the vendor side. So it's for both if you want to learn how to become an affiliate as well as a vendor. So first thing when you come in, you're going to get the welcome video, and they have a great support here through their email. But I also like at the bottom of each video they have people, you can leave comments, and I like to read through what the comments are people leave. And after that, you're going to go to the getting started section. And one thing you're probably wondering, like, why is it $47 a month recurring? Well, one of the things is the live Q&A that you have every week with these two gentlemen, and you can ask any questions that you want about tools, any kind of technical problems that you're having, getting advice, just hanging out with them, learning their tips and tricks. I have this other video of gaining perspective and motivation. Gary V, he's an amazing entrepreneur. And then deciding whether you want to be an affiliate or a vendor. Okay, so the vendors, if you're somebody who wants to create your own product and get it on Clickbank, it's going to show you from start to finish how to do that, how to get everything set up, finding your perfect product, creating your avatar, how to create your content, how to have upsells, high converting sales copy, and getting it up onto Clickbank, getting your JV partners, how to split test, how to scale, and how to have high ticket products. So that is going to teach you exactly how to become a vendor. And when you become a vendor on Clickbank, then you have people coming to Clickbank, and they're selling your product for you. And then if you want to become an affiliate and market Clickbank products, this will walk you through exactly how to do that. Finding your passion, creating the ultimate sales funnel, writing swipe copy, email marketing, scaling up and expanding, and running your promotions. Alright, and as far as the traffic part of it, you're going to learn YouTube ads, as well as Facebook advertising and Instagram. Now this Instagram, I think, is going to make me a lot of money, because I'm just now getting into Instagram. This is my account right here, but just some statistics on Instagram. It has 400 million users right now, 40 billion photos have been shared, 3.5 billion likes daily, and 80 million photos posted daily. So that this is a traffic source that's huge right now. And they're teaching you how to leverage Instagram, but you don't even have to have an Instagram account. That's the great part about it. So you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, I don't have an Instagram account. They're going to teach you exactly how to leverage Instagram, and again, Facebook marketing, and then YouTube Marketing. And then you're going to, this to me is again worth the $47, is these interviews. Okay, with the experts. These are people who have made millions of dollars. This one here in itself, this is incredible with Gary Vee, because he talks about branding and work ethic. And if you don't know who Gary Vee is, you have to listen to this. Some of the other ones are about staying connected, understanding your audience and your avatar, pre-selling, personal growth, testing and perseverance. There's one on paid advertising, sticking with it, internet jet set, how to be really successful, the Clickbank journey, successful habits and customer feedback. So these interviews are really, really great. And then, okay, we talked about the live Q&A that you get every week with Justin and Adam. You're also going to get the official copywriting guide, 77 tips to improving your copy, and an in-depth look at your market and customer research. But this is invaluable here as well, is the Clickbank University forum. So this is for members only, and you can go in there and ask questions. I haven't actually gotten in here yet, but ask questions of anything that you come across, and there's going to be people that can answer your questions in there. And I think that that is something that is necessary, because as you're going through here, you're going to have questions. So you have to have somebody to answer those questions for you. And in a forum setting, you're going to be able to get those questions answered pretty quickly, because there's other people in there that are there to answer your questions as well. Other members, but also just the people who have created the product here, people from Clickbank University. So I say I'm giving this a thumbs up. I haven't made it through everything yet, but I intend to. Right now I'm not going to become a vendor, but I'm going to go through the affiliate part, the traffic, and the toolkit. I forgot to tell you about that. It's telling you exactly all the tools that you're going to need, setting up your custom domain, PowerPoint presentation, how to edit your videos with Camtasia, recording your sales video. These are for vendors. Creating banners, setting up your funnel, split testing, outsourcing. So this is another huge section here that's going to be very invaluable to you. So I give this a thumbs up. You know, I go through a lot of products in affiliate marketing, and I think this is high quality, and for the price, $47 a month, I think you're getting a lot of value here, and it's going to teach you how to make sales on Clickbank, how to make money online. So that is my Clickbank University review for 2018. If you want to go ahead and register for the Clickbank University, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can go ahead and get registered right away and start going through the training. This is, I forgot to mention too, they try not to overwhelm you, so they have like one video a week. But if you want to, you can click on this and you submit a form so that you can unlock all the videos, so you can go a little bit faster than that. So again, if this is something that you're interested in, you want to really learn affiliate marketing from start to finish and how to make money on Clickbank, I would highly recommend this. So go ahead and click the link below this video, and you can go ahead and get registered for the university right now and start going through the product. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. If you found value from this video, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.